we'll see how to change default number of sheets in Excel. Now we can see that there is sheet 1. There is only one single sheet. By default, if you open Excel, you're going to get only one sheet. Now from next time onwards, if I open Excel, I need 3 sheets. So how to do that? In order to do that, we'll have to do setting. Now in order to do that, click on File. In File, go with Options. In Options, in General, we can see when creating a new workbook. In this, we can see include this many sheets. By default, there is one sheet. So I need 3 sheets. So I'll increase the number of sheets to 3 and then we'll open. Now for this change to take place, I'll have to close Excel and reopen it. I'll close Excel and then I'll reopen it. So once I click on Excel, now we can see that there are 3 sheets. Now from next time onwards, if I open Excel, I'll be having 3 sheets. Now this multiple sheets are required in order to organize your data. And one single sheet in Excel, it is known as your worksheet, and all the sheets put together, it is known as your work.